Hi. Today I'm gonna be showing you.
And at least, if you're Evan or Ryan, hi. Let's get it. So the first step is to fold your paper in half, like this. So, and then look at this. And then, first step of your paper airplane is this. Very simple. Of your momentum. It's called the momentum. Okay? If you're wondering. The next step is to unfold the paper. It looks like this. So I have a crease in there. And then you fold these corners. You see these corners? And you fold these corners to the crease. Okay, like that. So, like, when they hit the crease, that's when you stop. You stop when they hit the crease. Now, and then you do that on the other side. Very simple. That's simple. Oops. And then you fold. And then you fold this corner piece right here down. So you fold. So you fold this strip right here. And then you fold it. And then you fold it down to the box, right here. Okay? Like this. Look. And now your paper should look like this. And look. And then you fold these things. This is probably the most complicated part, because look, you fold this. Okay. I can't really show that. It's hard to show that. So you fold it like this. You fold it like this. Straight. You fold these. You fold these like this to the crease, okay? And then you do that for the other side. Now your paper should look like this. And this is weird. And then you fold this top to these lines down here, right here, to right here, okay? And yeah, that's one step. And we're down to making the wings. After you crease this, because okay, it should look like this. And now we're making the wings. So you flip your paper over. You flip your paper over where there's no folds. You flip your paper over. And then fold it in half, like that. You fold it in half like that. You fold it in half. Fold it in half. And if you miss a step, yeah, it will. If you miss the last fold down, it would look weird. It will not be. It won't fly good. It won't fly good if you miss a step. And then you see. And then I've got to point the camera down for this one. I can't tell you what to do. And you do this. Down to the bottom line right here. Okay? And then you do that and look at that. Look, you're supposed to do this. This part, it's hard to fold the front because there's so many folds in it. That's why I'm having trouble. And then you do that for the other side. And that's it for this tutorial. And if you're Evan or Ryan, hi. If you're my friend Evan or Ryan, hi. Bye.